Let's make another image using Quen to demonstrate the character consistency when creating several images using the same model. This time, let's give Linda a pirate outfit and put her in the bow of a pirate ship. The structure, Linda's DNA if you will, lays within the structured prompt that we have saved in the database. It will make sure that even when we change Linda's outfit and the setting she's in, her face and body will remain the same. Let's fast forward a bit to the good part, the result. I think we're about to see Linda, the Pirate Queen, shortly. And there she is. Ahoy, Linda! She has her pirate attire on, she's on the pirate ship, and most importantly, she's still our Linda. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want more videos like this, or if you have any other requests or suggestions for videos, subscribe to the channel and leave a comment.